Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am doing another Flexirod set. If you guys didn't see the first time I tried Flexirods in my hair, I will have that video linked for you guys. So yeah, I am trying Flexirods again, and this time I'm doing it on stretched hair. The first time I tried it, I did it on freshly washed hair, so this time I wanted to try it out on stretched hair. I recently blow dried my hair and I had a braid out before, so now I'm just doing this style on an old braid out. I started by putting my hair into sections, and I will be working with the back half of my hair first. I normally always do that, so I'm just going to be taking a medium size section from the back, and I'm using the Lather Body Wrap Me Up foaming mousse as my only product for this style. So I first go ahead and detangle the section that I'm going to be working with, and I'll be using the yellow and orange flexi rods for the back of my hair, and I will have the rods that I use linked down below. So my goal for this hairstyle was to get like those nice spirally looking curls. I'm literally always making a mess when I do my hair, but again, I'm going to be taking like 2 to 3 pumps of the foaming mousse and working that through my hair. And then again, I have one that rolls out. But anyway, I'm going to take my hair and just coil it around that flexi rod. I make sure to kind of twist it while I'm wrapping it to really make those spirals, and then I'm gonna seal the ends with a little more of the styling foam so it stays in place. As I get to the top sections, I'm starting to use the orange flexi rods. They're a little bit smaller, and again I take that section and I'm just coiling it, making sure I wrap it, and I make sure I pull it tight so it's nice and even and stretched. There's no tangles or anything, because that can seriously ruin the style. So this is what the back is looking like, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and move towards the front section, kind of working with a little more even sections, or at least trying to, so that everything looks nice and uniform. So now for the sides of my hair, I'm using the red flexi rods. I'm just going a little bit smaller in size. Again, making sure the section is fully detangled, adding the styling foam and wrapping it around that flexi rod, and then bending down the top so it stays in place, and then adding more of the styling mousse to seal the ends and make sure they're nice and smooth and in place. And then I usually bend the top and the bottom once I get towards the front to really just secure those rods in. So I'm just going to show you again in the front what it looks like, and once I get to the top of my hair, I am using the purple flexi rods. They are the smallest ones that I have, just to really give a nice definition towards my hair in the front. I want the curls to pop a little more in the front, so that's why I use smaller ones once I get towards the top. I really hope I'm explaining this well enough for you guys, but this is what my hair is looking like when everything is all finished. I'm just gonna put a bonnet on and let it sit and dry. So this is the next day, and I'm about to take my flexi rods out. I'm just using some light oil from Denise London's hair company and rubbing that on my hands just to keep the definition of my curls and ensure that they're nice and shiny. So I'm just gonna unravel my hair the opposite way that I installed the flexi rods, just making sure I kind of take my time, but the unraveling process goes much faster than the actual installation process of doing flexi rods. So as you guys can see, I'm getting a good amount of definition and shine from my hair. I really like the Lather Body foaming mousse. I think it works really well for styles like this. So after I take all the flexi rods out, I'm just going to go ahead and separate my hair, making sure to coil it in the same direction as the curls go, just to kind of fluff out my hair and give it a little more volume. You're going to want to take your time when you're separating your curls, just to make sure everything's even and to reduce the amount of frizz that you might cause by doing this. Now, I don't do flexi rods often, so I know my technique is not perfect, but I think the more I do it and the more I try, I will get the hang of it more, and the styles will come out much better. My hair partially came out how I wanted it to. I didn't fully get like that nice spiral that I was looking for. But again, like I said, the more I do this and the more I practice, it will definitely get better. So I'm just going through fluffing and separating my hair a little bit more to my liking, but this is pretty much the finished look and how everything turned out. Overall, I am pretty happy and satisfied with how my hair looks. It's definitely better than the first time I tried it. You guys know I'm trying to try out different hairstyles and get out of my comfort zone when it comes to doing my hair, because I tend to just do the same styles every week and that does get really boring. So I really want to switch it up and try new things. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now I'm just gonna do my edges real quick and kind of just finish up and polish off the look. Then I decided to just pin back the side of my hair and finish the look like that. But again, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up, comment some styles you would like me to try out down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.